Hello, Last Word fans. This is Random Take. Today I'm gonna show you how to attack in Last War. Like, if you are beginners, then you should know how to attack as a beginner. First of all, do not attack anyone who are in alliance. Uh, like here, this guy is in LSB2, so do not attack anyone who are in the alliance, as you might get attacked as well by other stronger alliance members. So you should be attacking people like this who doesn't have alliance. So you can see he is not in any alliance, so you can see there is nothing in alliance in here. So you need to attack this kind of people. uh, he is stronger than me, but let's see what happens. So this is how you attack. Just press here, and this is how you attack. So yeah, I won the battle. So you can see the battle report here. uh, so the reason I won is he doesn't have any defense in his walls. That is why I won the match. So let's attack him. Let's see if he has any defense in his walls. Just click and press this X button. Looks like he also doesn't have any troops on his walls. So yeah, guys, that is how you are going to attack. So let's see. You can also check by scouting if he has any defense in his walls. Just scout. Yeah, and you can see here. Yeah, he has defense on his walls. So let's attack this one. You can attack with two members as well. You can attack with two squads as well, I mean. So yeah, guys, that is how you attack. And if you want to do rally, then you can just press this button, this middle flag button, and then it will create a rally uh, like this one. So you can see your other members can join into the rally attack. So if you don't have much power, then you can initiate a rally. So you can attack by full force, like with your members together. So you can do the rally like that. Yes, guys. And if you want to defend your base, then you have to put a squat on your walls. So here I don't have any squat on the walls. The reason being is that I don't have much power. So if you don't put any squat on the wall, on the defense wall, then you will lose very few soldiers when someone attacks you. So if you don't want to lose troops, then you can remove the squads from the wall. But if you want to fight back, then you can put squads on the wall. So always put the powerful squad on head, on top, and then another squad below that. So when someone attacks, then your first squad will first initiate will fight back, and then your second squad will fight back as well. If the first squad it gets defeated, then the second squad will defend your base. So yeah, guys, that is how you attack someone. uh, yeah, guys, I'm gonna remove my defense because I'm not so powerful. So that is it guys. You can also see that I got attacked before by someone who is very very strong, like the level 27. I don't know why someone attacks such a weak base like me if they are level 27. If I have another account who is where I have like 50 million power, in another account which I have 50 million power, I'm at headquarter 27. I usually don't attack anyone below level 24 who are very weak. I don't attack them because that's so that's a loser thing, to attack someone who are so low, who are just starting the game. So I'm at level 27 in another account. I never attack anyone who are below headquarter level 24 4. Yeah guys. So always attack, do not attack someone who is very very weaker than you guys, very very weaker, because that's so bad for the game, because they are gonna leave the game and the server will be just a few bunch of egoistic people. That's it for guys. Have a good day. If you want to know anything about the last war game, just let me know. You can also check my another videos also. Have a good day guys.